Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back students in your online computer class. In this video I am going to show you how you insert images on your web page. So let's start. Open Notepad. You all know that to insert an image on a web page we use the image tag, right? So I'm going to use that tag here. So HTML head title, let's give the title inserting image. Now we close the title tag. Now we open body. Yes, we close head and then we open body tag. Let's give the heading, this is the picture of border, and then we give the heading tag. Now to insert an image we use image tag, right? So we use image, then space, we give src, that is source, and then we give equal sign and then inverted commas, and within the inverted commas we are going to write the address of that image which we have to insert on our web page. Okay, so I am taking image this borders. Okay, so I am going to open this image with Internet Explorer to get the path. Now see, this is the path of this image. Now I copy down this part. Now what I do, I paste here. Here we get the path of this image. Okay, now we place inverted commas and then we close image tag and then close then close body and then close HTML. What we have to do, we have to give the path, right? So we get the path when we open that image with Internet Explorer. We get the path of that image, we copy down that path and paste it here. Now save this with an extension .html. .html. Change it all files and then click on save. Now see the output. Now I'm going to open this with Internet Explorer, and here you get the image on your web page. See, this is the image. You can change the height and width and alignment of this image by using the attributes of the image tag. Okay, next I'm going to show you how to create table in HTML. So first we give the HTML tag, then we give head tag, then we give title tag. Let's give the title table. Then we close title tag. Then we close head. Then we open body. Now we have to create a table. So to create a table, to define a table in HTML, we give table tag. So table, and here I'm going to give a border. The border is equals to 3. This specifies the width or thickness of the border of the table, and cell padding is equals to 10. Then I'll give the caption tag. This caption tag is used to define the title of the table. So I'm going to give the title table I'm going to give the title table country data. This caption is used to define the table heading, okay? Sorry, table title. Now we close this caption tag. Then I give tr tag. This is table row. This tag shows the tr tag shows the starting of a row. I have given the bg color equals to red. Now I give th tag. This is table heading. So our first table heading is country name. Then we close this th tag. Then I'm going to give the next heading, that is capital. Then I close this tag again, and then again I'm going to give the third heading, that is currency, and then close table heading. I have given all the headings. Then I am going to close the tr tag. Now I am going to give the next next row. So to give the next row, we again open the tr tag, tr, then th, country name. Let's give the country name Japan. Then we close the th tag. Then capital. So the capital of Japan is Tokyo. So we write Tokyo here. We close th tag, and the currency of Japan is Japanese yen. So I'm going to give here Japanese yen. So here I have given the table row. Now I close tr tag. Then I'm going to give the next row. So I open tr tag, then th. Next I'm going to give the country name India, th. Then capital of India is Delhi. So next is Delhi, and close th tag. Then currency, so Indian rupees, and we close the th tag. Then we close the tr tag, and then we close the table tag, and then we close body, then HTML. Now we save this, save as, give the name. I am giving creating table .html. All files, select all files, and then save. I am going to open with Internet Explorer. So here you get the output. See, this is table heading. I hope you all have understood how to create table in HTML and how to insert images in web page. Okay students, Allah Hafiz.